Another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at the 20-volt DEWALT drill. So basically I'm going to go over what I actually use this for and how I feel about it. If you want to read the stats on this thing, you can read them up above, but you're going to be more concerned about, does a pro who uses it every day, does he like this tool? Believe me, this is a great tool for either a DIYer or a pro. First thing I'm going to tell you is up in the chuck part of it, it is steel and a mixture, I think, of some plastic, but very heavy made. It's held up very well for me. As you can see, this unit has gotten a lot of use. It is plastic all through the handheld areas. I actually love the way the DEWALT feels in your hand. It has going to have 2 speeds, 1 and 2, and it's going to have clutches up in this area. So you're going to turn this to get different clutches. Like there's 13, there is 11, 9, all the way down. Can't even hardly see it anymore. There's a 1. Now, I'm going to use this. I use this beater a lot if I'm mixing hot mud. So I'm going to kind of show you how it works. This is your forward and your reverse right here. And you'll start it, hold this. Now what I do is get it nice and tight. And actually, let's put it into drill mode. There we go, right there. Now, once I get it into drill mode, what I do is I will turn it backwards 1 click. And that generally will lock the clutch so that the bit doesn't fall out very easily. So, a great unit, works really good. 1 is your slower speed, 2 is your fast speed. Has a clip to hang it on your belt and has an LED light. So the question you're probably asking is, as a contractor, do I think this is a good unit? Would I buy another one? Would I continue using it? And I have to say, I think in the last 5 years I've had to replace 1 unit that the gears finally went out in. But DEWALT stands behind their products and they will generally fix the unit. The only reason I went in and replaced it instead of having it fixed is they were running a special and I got a really good deal, so I went ahead and bought another one. But I usually keep 2 or 3 drills and 2 or 3 impacts around at all time. I think it's an awesome unit, and I don't think you're going to go wrong with DEWALT. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a DEWALT drill today. We'll see you guys on the next one.